It's date night!
Yeah, so we're gonna get us some J-Dogs for dinner.
I'm so hungry.
We love hot dogs too.
They're kind of the best food ever.
Yum.
Let's get a close-up of this, because look how good that looks with the specialty J-Dog sauce. For date night, I wanted to go to Build-A-Bear
because I saw an Instagram ad, yeah, for a Jurassic Park one. And I was
it's
like,
a little velociraptor.
Yeah, well I guess Jurassic World. I always want to call it Jurassic Park because that's the classic.
Yeah.
But it's now World.
That's the ad I saw. Let's look for them. Pikachu's. Ooh, those are so cute. Are you gonna make one?
Let's see what they have. Hey, look, they dress them up.
Yay, they have outfits. And Eevee. That's so cute.
All right, Kelsey, so many to choose from.
I know I'm getting distracted, but I came here specifically
For one.
for blue.
Okay,
Let's do it.
let's do it.
Put inside. Shows a T-Rex, but it can work from pretty much
Let's
any.
do
Do
that.
that?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's awesome.
Are you a big Jurassic World fan?
I totally am.
And we also have these cool heartbeats that you want to feel. So every time you hug it, you can feel the heart beating. All
right.
Go for it.
Perfect.
Give it a hug. Tell me how it feels.
Oh, perfect. Awesome. Got a heart.
Now let's run in place so Blue can run super fast. There you go. Now let's rub it on her heart so she can give you lots of love. Honey, so she always will need you. Now let's rub it on her arm so she's very strong. Now give it a big kiss. Go fast as she can. And now we'll put that heart right inside. Awesome.
Reptiles use brushes too. You push right here, and you feel his heartbeat.
That's awesome.
It means he's alive. It's slippers. Done.
That's cute.
I love it.
How does it stay on? Does it have a strap or something? Yeah. What's that he's in?
Just the Millennium Falcon. Millennium Falcon? How do you say it?
That's right, Millennium Falcon.
Name your furry friend. Either Alan, because that was what the raptor says on Jurassic Park 3, or keep with Blue. Any suggestions?
I'm leaning towards Blue, just because that's his name from the movie, maybe.
What about Alan Blue? 15 inches, eye color yellow.
We've got a dinosaur. I'm so excited.
So sly.
I think they like each other. So cute. We love the Disney store.
I want everything.
We had to make a pit stop here at Box Lunch.
It's too cute.
And look at all this awesome Incredibles merchandise.
I thought this shirt was really cute. It was so lucky.
So this machine was originally $300 when we saw it a couple months ago. No one's bought it yet, but now it is priced down to $26, so it might have found a home.
Sold. He's so cute.
He's like, I think he's like a zombie machine, but maybe not.
He's so cute. And then look at this Ponyo shirt. It has the cutest print.
Okay, what do we got going on?
Well, punching holes in Alan Blue's hat. So now I just need to put a ribbon in it, so that way it will stay on his head. This will do it for now. Oh, now I gotta tie it tighter. At least he won't lose it.
Yeah, it'll fall back.
Off. Ooh. Looking for a spot. Alan wanted a dessert. Look how good that looks. Jake, dig in.
I will. It's like warm cookie dough goodness.
Is that so yummy?
This is amazing. We love coming here to the chocolate. It's really good desserts. I love all their cakes and cookies and the kazuki. We're just here at the movies.
Alan wanted to go, so we decided that we would take him. We'll see what he picks out to see.
Probably Jurassic World.
It's not out yet.
I know.
Life of the party. Let's do this. Ooh.
Just the way I like it.
My favorite kind of way to have a movie.
June 30th at the Walt Disney World Resort.
Everyone's ready for the movie.
We just finished the movie and I was cracking up because I would look over and Jake would be sitting there like this and be like,
Because it was awesome. It was
like
so
laughing
funny.
so hard.
It was
It's pretty
hilarious.
great. I think Blue liked it.
Yep. Life at the party.
Look who wanted to drive home. Oh, Blue, you're doing such a good job. Uh-oh. Don't go too fast.